Hello everybody and welcome back to B tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be talking about social share element. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, to use the social share element, you simply need to drag and drop it onto your page, and after that you'll be able to see that our social share elements are now being placed on our page, and with all of these are the connected links as well. On your right side you are able to see that you have your editing panel, and from here you can change the properties of these social share elements. So first of all, in the content section you can see social drop down, and in here you have your design styles. So you can select icon, or you can select label only, or you can select both. So you can see icon and label are visible. In case you want to just reset the values, you also have an option to reset the value. After that you have your icon position. If you want them on the right side, you can set the icons on the right side and the labels on the left side. Similarly, you can do it back to normal, and you can see our icon is now on our left side. After that you have your social media icon, and from here you can customize what social media you want. So like for example, if I want to change this Google to something like Reddit or Pinterest, I can simply choose Pinterest from here, and you can see the Pinterest is now available. And what's great about this option is that it also modifies the box itself. So you can see if you select Tumblr, the color scheme and the icon is automatically changed. So it is really handy and flexible. Similarly, you have this option for other social elements as well. So in case I want to change it to Telegram, so you can see it just changed to blue, and the icon also changed, and the label as well. Similarly, you have all of these icons. You also have this custom option, so using this you can add a custom label and link sharing. So this is also really great. Below that you also have an option to add a new item. So similarly, if you add a new item, you can see another social element is now added, and if you click on social you can change it back to anything you want. So you can see you have an option of this editing, and if you want you can change it to anything of your need. So you can see you have totally control over this. After that you have your target URL, and from here you can add a custom or current page URL which will be directing our customers. And after that you have your grid. So here you can set the items per row. So currently it is set up to 10 items. So you can see currently there are 4 elements. You can add 6 more, and after that the elements will be shifted to the next line. So you can see you can increase it or decrease it using this item per row slider. Similarly, you have this spacing option, so it is totally up to you how you want to customize it. After your content tab you have your styles tab, and in here you have various features. So first of all is the alignment. So like for example, if I want all of these social share elements in the center, I can simply select this center alignment. So you basically have your 3 basic alignments: left, center and right. So let's just set it to center. After that you have your typography, and in here you can select a font of your choice, or you can upload your own. After that you have size of the font. So you can see if you increase the font, the box automatically changes as well. You can also adjust the weight, transform, style and decoration. So if you want to underline the text you can do that. And similarly you also have these line height sliders and letter spacing slider. You can see this is totally up to you how you want to adjust these settings. So after typography you have your text shadow, and from here you can add a shadow of your choice. So like for example, if I want to add shadow, I can simply select any color of my choice and simply add the shadow. After that you have your box shadow, works similar way. You can also add some animation properties. So in case I want to add a hover animation, I can select this to hover, and you can see some hover animation properties are being displayed in here. Let's just set it back to normal, and after that I have text color. So like for example, if I want to change the color to something different, I can do that for some particular icons. And you also have this opacity slider beside your color palette. You can just change it back to normal by simply clicking on this reset to default button. You have your background, so you can select the image of your choice, or you can add a gradient background from these properties. You have all of these adjustment sliders and color picking options in here, so this is really handy. After background you have an option of border. So in case you want to add any type of border, you can add solid, double, dotted, dashed or groove. So totally depends upon you. After that you have your border radius. So in case I want to make these borders round, I can simply click on this chain icon and increase the value. So you can see now our borders or corners are being rotated, so it just gives more of that button look. And let's just change it back to normal. After that you have your spacing, so in case I want to customize my spacing. And finally we have our icon size, rotation and spacing. So you can see if we add just these sliders, we can change the icon size and we can add some rotation if you want to do that. And finally we have our spacing, so we can adjust the spacing, totally depend on us. So that was pretty much it for social share element, and I really hope you understood the concept. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.